And she said I hit her. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark. I didn't. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark. Oh, hi, Mark. It's amazing. You go to Tommy Wiseau's site, and the first thing everyone always says is, "Oh, hi, Mark." Like you know you're home. Oh, hi, Mark. When I first friended him, I said, "Oh, hi, Tommy," and he liked that. I took a while, mighty old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Lena once fucked a guy by a factory wall. Thank you, John. That's really nice. You let me say it. You let me say it. Okay.
All the news that's fit the
It was the factory right next to the railroad tracks in Glendale. But we had a blanket.
Oh, it's cozy.
Why did we have a blanket? I don't remember that because we were on foot. It's like, were we walking around with a blanket? Were we walking around with a blanket? I believe you did a lot of that walking around with a blanket back in the day. Well, but a lot of times we settled in the golf course. Golf course was a big spot for sex for a lot of people. But yeah, one time it was like by a factory wall. And that's funny. Whenever John sings that song, he flashes and shows me, I saw you. I know what you did. Yeah. Well, you did some things yourself. By the way, this is like your anniversary of smack dab in the middle of your time with May Pang. So happy anniversary. 50 years ago. Yeah. 50 years ago, 1974, October. You were still with her. A couple of months later, the girl is on the curb. Yeah. Same with you, kind of. Yeah, so, sort of. Similar. Anyway, Pogues is here. Hi, Shane. Whenever we channel Shane McGowan, boy, he comes in really, especially factory. I almost feel like my teeth have broken, like it's singing through broken teeth the way he does. You know what I really wanted to, Chris? There's a little black cat up there. A little black. She looks good up there. Leave her there. All right.
All up against the...
Yeah, she does look good. But I might want to paint her like Maggie. No, leave her be. Leave her be. Yeah, she does look good up there. So why are you bringing up this fact? I just remember you by the factory wall. I'm not giving you hell or anything. Hey, you had nowhere else to go in those days. You didn't always have money for the hotels, right? You never did. He paid up. He paid up. I'll say that for the guy. Yeah. Honey, it was worth every penny. You're in some fucking form today. Oh, look. What? Mardi Gras beads. Yeah, that's like having a Mardi Gras, isn't it? It is like that. It's just like having a Mardi Gras. Being in this place, John, is just like being at the fucking Mardi Gras. Kind of is. Look at this joint.
Yeah, right. There's the Mardi
This
Gras
John
beads.
is jumping. John always said your house looks like your personalities exploded all over the walls.
There's the Mardi Gras beads. How you put them?
That's why he brought that up.
Oh, okay.
He's
Sorry.
a little too late, a little too. All right. At least he gets there, right? Ah, shut up, you son of a gun. Love you. Love you. Yeah, John, you're all right. Look at the picture Sandy drew. I love you. That's how we all feel. I know we do. What are you, crazy? Yeah, because you're going back to bed and that's the end of that. All right. You did really good today. And Christopher, you did great too. The cornbread was a really great hit. And actually, there's a lot of healing properties in that bread. It was the perfect gift to give to Stephen today, along with the green juice tablets that Lena was so kind to provide for him. It's my pleasure. It's no joke. I don't want to wish mono or Lyme's disease on anybody. And those are connective tissue disorders, both. And there's a lot of pain. It's not minor. It's bad, and you have to, and I hope he takes to heart the oregano oil thing. And if he needs some of that, I have an extra small bottle of that too. So you can also tell him that, Chris, when you see him.
Right.
If he's needing oregano oil, I can spare a small bottle. I kiss my girl. You want to get that? Yeah, we're going to get the same decorations, maybe better. Yeah. And then you're going to sit outside and you're going to sit in your phony tinfoil leaves and you're going to say, look at me go. Yeah, I'll say that. Today's tarot cards, yeah. Hi, Sandy. Yes, with the magician, yes. You needn't take them out again. No, no, you won't. You needn't bother, though, is what I'm saying. It's like, I know, Sandy. The magician and the Queen of Wands, yes. John the magician, you are the Queen of Wands. So am I, honey. Yeah. What about Christopher? Christopher is the Knight of Swords. Getting things done. All business. Okay. Like it.
Very nice.
Yes, thank you, Sam. Hello?
Hello, Sandy.
Yes, hello. I like that harmonica that you played before. It got Lena, wanting to at least do a little bit of that song. That was nice. You should play that harp a little bit. That's something.
I'm gonna start in again.
Yeah, we asked him because that's a beautiful harp we got him too. And it's truly he's good at it. Kissing my girl, kissing that girl. All right, so what are we doing? What's going on? Let's get out of here. All right.